If you work with MySQL databases and you don't use MySQL Workbench, you are missing out big time. Hands down, MySQL Workbench is the best MySQL client out there. Every engineer I know uses MySQL Workbench, and I've been using it for more than 11 years now, and I really love it. Let me just quickly show you what it looks like. I'm going to create a bunch of other videos for tips and tricks the way I use it, so make sure you give me a follow if you want to see more tips and tricks on this particular tool. So this is what it looks like right when you open it, and you have a bunch of connections. That's after you create connections, and even to create connections, it's super easy. You click on the plus icon, you just give your connection a name for a dev, test, or prod, or whatever connection you're creating, just a random name, the usual information you need, the port, the host, the port, the username, and the password. And once you do that, you'll get your connection here, and you just click on it. I'm going to connect to a local MySQL instance, and on the right side you'll get all your different databases or schemas. You have a session information, you have a lot of tools, and you have tabs. You can open multiple tabs so you can work on multiple queries and stay organized just like you would in a browser. And when you want to run a query, you can literally just find the table you want, you can right click it and hit run, and it would actually run the query. Right click a table and it will run a query without you having to select it. And you can create a bunch of queries. You can create insert statements, delete statements. It will just save you so much time when you're working with MySQL database. It's just an awesome tool. I really like it. I cannot imagine working with databases without this. I've tried different like plugins for IDEs to work with MySQL, but I really don't see the point why I would ever use plugins where I can just use Workbench. It's an awesome tool. I'll be creating more videos on this, so give me a follow.